right, I got a problem. I got a problem. You know that moment when you realize that your dog has gone missing and you don't know where he's at and he's not on his leash that he normally is on, and you're in a campground or you're in an unfamiliar place and you just don't know where your dog has ran off to? Well, if you've ever experienced that feeling, then I got a solution for you right here. This right here is a GPS, no contract, no monthly fee dog tracker. It actually attached to a GPS signal up in the sky and then let you know where your dog ran off to. If you're camping and you're in unfamiliar areas where your dog might just bolt, see a squirrel, a deer, another dog, and just take off running like mine does all the time, well, you may just want something like this. This is just a collar that you put around his neck and he's constantly wearing it. It's super comfortable and my dog loves it. Right here, you can have it set for 3 different dogs. You're gonna need 3 different collars. I just have the 1 collar, but you're gonna need 3 different collars if you wanna track 3 different dogs. So you have 1, 2, and 3. This right here is gonna light up the collar. So if it's dark, you can press this, it'll light up the collar. The first thing we're gonna say is the last known position is that way. We're just gonna follow these arrows to see exactly where my dog is and see if we can go find him. This arrow is pointing me in the right direction and I'm still hunting for my dog. And it's a good thing we got him on this collar because he probably bolted with a squirrel or anything like that, but look what I'm looking at. Got a big old forest area right here and he could be anywhere. We're gonna test and see how well this actually does in trees with the GPS signal. We're gonna follow this footpath and hopefully he's somewhere around here. Still haven't found him yet and I'm beeping him and I can't hear him. So he must have gone a little bit far. We'll find him, we'll get him. That's why we have this thing. Oh, we're zeroing in, we're saying he's about 600 feet away from me. That's still pretty far. Oh, my son came and took him for a walk. Nobody knew where he went, but my son came and took him for a walk. That makes me feel so much better. All of a sudden we get the alert that he's gone out of his area and my son came and took him for a walk. Hi, baby. Luckily, my need was not an emergency. My son just took him without anybody knowing. Hey, I'm all right with that, but next time I would like to know where my dog went. But if you find yourself in an emergency situation, you need to get one of these things, because if your dog runs, bolts, and you take him outdoors into an area that he's unfamiliar with, this is gonna be a lifesaver. I took this off really quick to show you guys that you can light it up. You see that it's blinking just like that? So at nighttime, this really helps a ton. You can see that from a long way away. And then you have the beeping noise. When you press that button, it just starts beeping until you turn it off. So you have audible alert and you have visual alert, and then you can press this button, it'll kick into tracking alert. So we got the geofence set at 200 right there. If you press it again, you can go 500, press it again, it goes 1,000, and then back to 200. So the moment that he leaves that geofence, it starts beeping here, and then you know, hey, we need to go find him. And that's exactly what I did. That's exactly how this thing helped. The nice thing about this right here is that when you do have live tracking on and you need that, it updates you about every 5 seconds. And so you'll know where he's at, what direction he's at, and how far away he is at all times. As you can see here, my son just took off with him and it still says nearby. I'm gonna let him go about 200 feet. There you go. You see that beep right there? My fur baby crossed the geofence. That's what I got in my trailer. I grabbed this and I'm like, where is Pippin? Anybody seen Pippin? And that's when the video started. And I'm like, this is a perfect chance to show everybody how we find Pippin using our geofence when we're camping. So now we're just gonna press this live button and we know the arrow points the way and the distance, he's about 300 feet away from me. And it is updating. And now we can see him and we found him. There he is. So don't get caught in a situation where you don't know where your dog is at all times, especially if you're out camping, enjoying the weather or enjoying the outdoors. You want to make sure that your dog is safe and controlled. This thing is going to give me the peace of mind that if something does happen, that he gets away, that I can always find him and know where he's at. And for me, that's priceless.